Katu kat Natalie ki Kynhun pen bor na Garo Hills kila pynlong ya ka jingïakhih ha New Delhi da ka bakno bakadon ka jingwan thambor ya ki jaka ki kam le bejot bat ki jing le ben da ki nong shong ki babi an kani ka jingïakhih kala pen pau ya ka jing sngokhya halor ka jingma ya ki jaka jong ki riulum bat ya ki jingeda jong ka riti sanchar ki badai hok jong kari.
They were raised and educated by the people's support of the people. To neglect the people is to betray their trust. Today, we condemn the failure of the Meghalaya government to protect its own citizens and uphold tribal rights. Therefore, we appeal to the central government, to our Prime Minister and the Union Ministers to hear our voices and protect our rights. We ask for justice, for security, and for the preservation of our tribal identity. Brothers and sisters, let us remember, today it is Garo Hills, tomorrow it may be Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, Nagaland, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, or Sikkim. We the seven sisters must stand united together. We are strong. Together, we will protect our land, our culture, and our future. With these few words, I want to give a clear message to our union government to intervene us, to protect us in a very special way. The Bangladeshis, the neighboring country of our own India, they have entreated us, they have interred us, they have